How has it worked in Japan?
First of all, we're trying to educate the consumers. Many people think lamb is a bit smelly, but that's maybe a long time ago. Now it's transportation systems or quality is better or the breeds, everything is improved than used to be. And then also kind of trend, it's a lamb is a photogenic. When you're eating lamb with the, lamb chops with the small fingers.
Yeah.
And taking a photo of it.
Do I look photogenic when I'm eating it too?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I love it.
You're the man. You're the man.
Hey friends, we've had some good times. Cooking lamb with my wonderful mother.
Oh, alamak ini. Oh.
And then getting absolutely stuffed with some of Singapore's best chefs and their go-to lamb dishes. That's lamb-tastic, but I'm back. And this time, I'm going on a journey to see just how lamb reaches our plates and the people who make it all work. This is Lamb Me Your Recipe, a journey. This is the end of my journey for this chapter of Lamb Me Your Recipe. I've met Benjamin from Meat and Livestock Australia, I've met Butcher Angharad from Bootles, and I've met Chef Dave from Burnt Ends. And they all gave me insight into how it all works. But I feel I can only complete this journey with the one person I started it with. So everybody, please say hello to my mother, Joyce. Hi, Mom.
Hi, son.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
As always, we're going to be cooking together.
Yep.
More lamb, which is awesome. But I think it's a little bit different this time around because instead of the 4 localized dishes that we made, we're going to do something a little bit more towards Dad's side with a lamb stew.
Right.
But of course, with your magic.
Yeah, I'm going to cook a little different.
Yes.
With some add garlic and green chili in it, to make it the taste different.
Exactly, the Joyce Foster spin, which is great. But perhaps maybe you can just talk us through all the ingredients that we're going to use today.
Lamb shoulder, and garlic, green chili, that's optional, and red onion. You can use white onion also.
Yep.
And of course, potato, carrots, tomato.
Yes.
And this is Bristow.
Yeah, bistro or
bistro.
gravy box, anything that you can make
For the
gravy.
And
beef
black
stock.
pepper.
Right, so Mom, what's the first step?
Well, first we fry the big onion for a few seconds and then add in the garlic. Stir a little bit and then we add in the lamb.
Beautiful. So let's bring this over to the stove and start that process first.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Awesome, Mom. Okay, Mom, I'll put the fire on.
Yeah.
You put the oil in.
Just to grease the pan and then be careful. Yeah, that's it. I think it's ready.
Onions in?
Yes, please.
Great.
You want to learn to cook while you stir?
Learn to cook. I
Yeah.
think I already learned to cook.
I know.
I hope I have, or else I've been doing something wrong. So how does it feel to be back, Mom?
Yeah, it's great.
And cooking lamb again.
Yeah.
I always wanted to ask, do you have a particular favorite cut of lamb?
I like the rib, the one with the bone. I like
The lamb
that.
rack?
The lamb rack, yeah.
The lamb chops.
Yes, I like that. I think you can put in the
Garlic?
Garlic, yeah.
Okay, so garlic in.
Yeah.
But in terms of cooking lamb, I mean, it's pretty easy, right?
Well, stew is pretty easy to cook anyway.
Stew is very easy, actually. Once you kind of prepare all the ingredients and get it going in the pot, you just have to let it simmer for a while.
Now you can dump in the...
Okay. Wow. Smells so good.
Okay, you stir. I put pepper
Yes,
in.
can.
Come and stir. Lower the flame.
Yep, in process.
Yeah. You stir.
Okay, you want me to start. Okay, go on.
Just a wee bit so that it doesn't stick to the...
Okay.
So I'm going to put this bistro 1,
Yep.
2. You stir?
Yep. So this is a very nostalgic dish for me, Mom. Like I said, I always remember growing up and eating this every summer
Yeah.
when we went back to visit Nanny and Granddad
Yeah.
in the UK. That's where you learned the first recipe
Correct.
and then bring it back to Singapore and you cooking it here. So
Well, I learned it from Nanny.
yeah. And look, that's bubbling up perfectly now.
Yeah. So now we can.
Okay, once it
cover.
starts to bubble, you cover
And-
it.
Yeah, and then we simmer for hour.
Okay. 45 minutes, Mom.
Yep.
Shall we check?
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh.
That smell always gets me, always gets me.
Now you can add in the carrots
Okay, carrots,
and you stir it around.
potatoes, tomatoes,
Tomatoes. Yeah.
and then
Then the chili you can
just a few
yeah.
in there. All right, do we need to add more water?
There's some left over there. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So just pour it all in?
All in
All
inside.
right.
Ooh, not the yeah.
And on for another half an hour or so. Half an
Correct.
hour, 45 minutes, right?
Correct.
Simple. That looks spot on.
Yeah.
That looks exactly like the stew you've always made me.
Bring back
growing up.
memories.
Oh, a lot of memories. So,
Yeah, you better try it.
yeah, the only thing I have to do now is actually
Yeah.
try it. So, look at that. I
With the
just
meat
broke
tender.
that meat off easily. All right.
Good.
Superb. That's great, Mom. Always hits the spot.
Well, yeah. I know you enjoy it.
I enjoyed it so much. It all comes together so well. And again, I think the trick is not putting everything all at once.
Correct.
You know, let the lamb cook off a little bit.
Correct.
And then just towards the end, add in all the vegetables so that they don't break down too
They
much.
don't break down. Yeah.
But everything's on the right balanced level of each other in terms of
Right.
being tender. Wow. Thanks, Mom,
You're welcome.
for always feeding me. Woo! Perfect, perfect. And there you have it, the end of this journey. But with the help of MLA, and Harrod, and of course my mum Joyce, I've learned the ins and outs of Australian lamb and how to get the best out of it. Now I hope you've also picked up a thing or two to try and cook a lamb dish at home. But for now, this is Lamb Menu Recipe, a journey. Now excuse me, but I have to go, because I have to finish Mum's stew. So take care, and see you next time. At 4, 2, cut ah. Yeah. 3. I've learned the ins and outs of Australian lamb and how to get the best out of it. Damn it! Okay. So now only one left thing to do, right?
Wow, you have to taste and see.
Yeah, only one left.
It will bring back memories.
What
though.
English is this? Walao. Only one left thing to do. Only one wrong thing, one right thing, one left thing.